Are you missing the Win App Model Runtime DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help you fix this system error right now. For professional-grade Win App Model Runtime maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Win App Model Runtime, a foundational app model runtime shim. It redirects localized unmanaged calls regarding package family names and UWP identity to the core Windows kernel, mandatory for the launch of any modern localized Microsoft Store app. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This issue involves a protected Windows DLL that requires official restoration. Start an elevated command prompt session and run sfc/scan now so that Windows can automatically validate and replace files like Win App Model Runtime. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Win App Model Runtime file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restart unsuccessful? No problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for Win App Model Runtime DLL, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. One approach to reviewing Win App Model Runtime references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Win App Model Runtime and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.